Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal has now taken to Twitter. He says the Prime Minister has desired that any decision affecting the careers of his beloved students has to be taken in wide consultations with all state governments and stakeholders, which is why a meeting is going to be held tomorrow. He is also requesting all state government education ministers and secretaries to attend this meeting, which will take place tomorrow at 11:30 a.m. The consultation process needs to be completed before any decision is reached, is what the education minister has also asserted. Nikunj Garg is with us for more on this. Nikunj, we did tell our viewers a couple of minutes ago that the meeting is going to happen tomorrow because all stakeholders weren't present today. Now, the education minister also coming out and requesting all the state governments to ensure their participation tomorrow.
Absolutely, and he's confirming two of the news breaks that we have done since morning. One, we put out in the morning that government has an elaborate plan to discuss with all the stakeholders, including the education ministers of state and union territories, apropos not only the board exams of class 12 to students, but also all the higher learning institutions, the exams of which are being conducted now in this country through the National Testing Agency. He also confirmed that all stakeholders, including the chairpersons of all the boards and various other stakeholders, have been invited for the meeting. Now, just as we told an hour back to our viewers, that due to non-availability of certain stakeholders at such a short notice, this meeting has been postponed for tomorrow. Education Minister coming out and confirming that news break as well. And that elaborate plans detail, as always, are available only on Times Now that we have been putting out for our viewers since morning.
Right now, the short notice that was given for today's meeting is what many stakeholders, Nikunj, had cited for their unavailability today. Hopefully, that is not the case tomorrow because there are lakhs of students that are awaiting a decision. It's been months of uncertainty and they would really like this uncertainty to end.
Well, I'm quite sure, Poonam, that the in charge of the education departments in the state governments, the ministers, the secretaries of higher education, the chairpersons of various boards, and other institutions of higher learning, they all want this anxiety of the parents, students, and teachers to come to an end. And I quite understand that they have not been able to convene a meeting at such a short notice, because remember, the notice for the meeting went out just yesterday evening. This morning, Times Now was the only channel to put out government's elaborate plan and this meeting that was slated for today. And I'm also quite sure and convinced that by tomorrow, all the stakeholders will join this meeting that has to be chaired by the Union Defence Minister, Mr. Rajnath Singh.
Absolutely. We here on Times Now viewers got you the exclusive details of what the proposals are on the table, and we'll of course get you all the very latest as far as tomorrow's meeting is concerned. Nikunj, thank you so much for getting us those details.